everybody. Today we are back with another cool video. Today I am going to show you the second part in our Scratch tutorial. You might remember from our last episode, if you've watched it, we've set the move triggers and with our house and tree to work functionally, and we made it look realistic when we move forward and backwards. So today, we are going to make the rotation triggers work. And before we start the code, I just wanted to say two things. So in case you were wondering, this block thing on the right is an arm. I am going to change the name of our sprites so that we can identify them more precisely. So we'll name that arm. We'll name this house. And we'll name this tree. Okay, so it's good knowing we've got that settled. So that was number one. Now here's number two. Episode, I would explain what the forever loop did, but I forgot to do that. So I'll just quickly explain what the forever option does. So let's just select this. Forever. What? Okay, excuse that. I do not know what happened. So this forever loop surrounds the up arrow and down arrow. It goes if up arrow key pressed, then do this. But up here it says when the flag is clicked. Now imagine what it would be like without the forever. It would only be if the up arrow key is pressed, then do this, but only when the green flag is clicked, and there's nothing to tell you when to do it. So it goes when the green flag is clicked. So since the up arrow key is not pressed, this whole code is forgotten. That's why we need the forever loop. So there's something I'd like to change about this code before we move on. I would like to instead move one step, move 1.5. I have a feeling it's going a bit too slow. Okay, there's it for the tree. Minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. So that should do it. So, yep, I think this looks a bit more realistic. So, as I said, today we are going to use the rotate triggers to make these move right and left. So, hey, the arm was before. There. Okay, so now what we want to do is two more if-thens. Okay, that would be in control. If-then and if-then. Well, we'll do this outside so we can duplicate it into the tree. Well, actually, we can still do that in here. Okay, so if key right arrow press, then this is important. When you want to change an object by the right, then you want to make their movement go to the left. Then change X by minus, let's go with 3. So duplicate this. If left arrow key pressed, Then change x by 3. So now we want to duplicate this and put it in tree. Get back there. What? What? Oh my goodness, that tree just disappeared. Okay, so don't worry, we don't have to reprogram everything. Simply because
we can just make it again and then copy that.
Well,
oh, good.
There is one thing we can do. So we can leave page and hopefully our data will be lost. Yup, see, our data was lost and I saved before our tree got lost. So simple as that. Okay, sadly. Okay, gonna put those in there. If key right there, if key left, move 3, move -3. Okay, so then we should have our right and left arrows complete. So see, our house is moving. Ta-da! Okay, so then we want to So we'll just move this code into the tree. And we've got our thing. And we want to move our thing into here. And we should be good. So I'm clicking the left arrow. Now there's a stinking problem. They both stop at the edge of the screen. So here is what we want to do. We would like to make it so that they would hide when they hit the edge of the screen. So let's go to house and get another if then. Now we want to go to operators and collect an equal. Now we want to go to an X position. X position. Okay, here we go. If X position is equal to the X next to the sprite, you can see the X and Y direction on the sprite is equal to 354. Then go to looks and say hide. So now the house should hide in the house head, right behind the tree. So now we want to do the same with the tree, except 312 instead. Because there's 312. Oh, right. We still made it that it would hide. So we want to put a show here. Go to tree and put a show over here. Yeah, we didn't program it that way yet, but we will make it happen. And okay. Now what we want to do is to do the same thing for the opposite side. And that would wrap up our video. So let's go to the right. Okay. If x position is equal to 310 minus 310, then hide. So if x position equals minus 230, then hide. Okay. So, oh yes, right. We did not duplicate that into that. I remember that this was 312. $312. Hide. So let's make them go to that side. Good. We are done for the video. So like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all of the other parts in Scratch, approximately 10. And as always, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.